Hello there everyone, I am Endurok, and this is Charlie. Oops, am I showing all of them? He's the new dog we got. It's kind of hard to see him because he's black. Got all black fur there. Charlie. But he's sort of a cross between a Cocker Spaniel and a Poodle. This is why he's so friggin' tall. Look at those legs. Look at that. So yeah, we got him from Edmonton Humane Department, something like that. So like yesterday, my aunt and my sister were originally supposed to be going somewhere else, but they said that they were 4 hours early to go to the place or whatever, and so they decided to go to the pet shop like nearby, and so they had an hour to get Charlie because apparently she said that the people working there said that that they needed all the family members to be there, and so my aunt came back home to get me. I was already in the middle. I was in the middle of editing. Um, what was that called again? Stealth Sniper. And so yeah, I uploaded that kind of late. It was about like midnight. So yeah. So yeah, we got ourselves a new dog. It's hard to get this thing to face him because I can't see it. So yeah. And so we decided to get him. And now he lives with us. And he gets along with Tiffany. Well, to be honest, he doesn't really take a whole lot of interest in Tiffany. To be honest, but yeah, whatever. But yeah, for something that's part Cocker Spaniel, I've never seen a Cocker Spaniel that tall. But you know, poodles for one are tall, fairly. My aunt used to have like just a regular Cocker Spaniel named Gator. So anyway, that's what I really wanted to say about this. Got him yesterday, and he likes to lay on the floor a lot. So yeah. So anyway, that's the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Hello, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. How you doing? Just laying around, floppy ears there. Yay. Yay for floppy ears.